G'day, Shah here once again with Four Wheels on the Road, helping you get the most out of your time away. This week we're asking the question once again, go or no go. Today we're out here at Gold Creek Reservoir. We're going to take a look at the trail that goes around the reservoir here. For this trail you've got access for mountain biking, walking, horse riding, it's got it all. So let's go take a look.
Go, no go for long.
Gold Creek Reservoir is around about half an hour west of Brisbane. It's pretty easy to find your way out here, and it's a really nice drive to get out here as well. It's a great little drive out here through Brookfield, and there are plenty of other parks out in the area and nature reserves as well. For those of you who are interested, if you're cyclists, you can also enjoy in this area what's called the Fingers, which is 3 separate rides which split off from Brookfield and go out into the hills, which are fantastic rides, and they're actually pretty nice drives as well. The reservoir itself and the walking trails are only a couple of 100 metres from the car park. There's not a ton of car parking here in the area, but it's not really a place that actually gets too busy, so it's pretty easy to find a park here, and it's a great little area. Most of the sites that are organised by SEQ Water have information signs, so you can see here you've got a bit of a detailed view of the day use area and what's available here for you. As you'll see here on the map, there's not really a lot in terms of facilities on the site. There is a bathroom on site, which is handy, but the day use area here that you'll see doesn't really have much in terms of anything like kids play areas or anything like that. There is one picnic table here, which is just in front of me, right next to the toilets here, which is just to the left-hand side of the dam wall. But other than that, there's not really a lot. But it's a very nice area just to come and chill out, and the trail here is fantastic. All right, let's go take a look at the trails. The walking trail around the dam itself is only 4.5 kilometres. It is steep in some places, so make sure you take some rest and a water bottle with you, as it is a moderately difficult trail. From Gold Creek you can walk or ride the trails to Lake Manchester, to Enoggera Reservoir, or you can venture further into the adjacent national parks or onto Brisbane City Council trails. While we're at it as well, if you could drop a like with the little thumb below, I really do appreciate that. It helps the channel to progress. Gold Creek Dam is located in Upper Brookfield in Brisbane's western suburbs. The dam was constructed in 1885 to supplement Enoggera and is the world's first unreinforced concrete stepped spillway. It's fascinating to check out this structure actually while you're here. It was the first of its kind when it was built, so really cool. And it's great that you can just come in here and have a look. I was chatting to the maintenance guys who were here today as well, and they said no dramas, having a quick peep in here, so decided to come and have a look at it up close. Pretty cool area here, great trail, goes all the way around the place. And it's a nice trail as well if you wanted to come and walk it or come for a mountain bike around it. As I mentioned earlier, there's actually tons and tons of trails that run from here all the way over to the back of Mount Cootha, and 100 other trails that go to millions of other places. So it's a pretty central area, and it's an area that not a lot of people have heard of as well, which is actually really cool. Alright, well, that's going to wrap things up for us here over at Gold Creek Reservoir today. Let me know what you think of the place in the comments down below. Is it a go or is it a no-go? Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and most importantly, share the channel. I really do appreciate that. And we'll see you next time we get 4 wheels on the road.